Kutties Chutties. Hi friends, welcome to Kutties Chutties. Today we are going to see how to plant a green peas plant. Let's take a green peas and let's put it in water. I have put 4 green peas in this water. Now let's see after one day. I got like this. For me, it's growing fast. For you, it can grow little slowly. If you get sprouts like this, it's ready for planting. So first we can plant this seed in just a normal sand which you have in your garden, or you can also use coco peat or vermicompost, or you can simply just plant it in this soil. So for this, first we are taking the making the mud suitable for that. So let's make some space for that. Now let's pour water in that place. Let it to absorb, and let's take the seed which we have made it to germinate. Now let's take this and we are going to plant it like this, so that the this part is upside. So just put this inside the mud and cover it with mud. Now I have also planted one more over here. Here and here we have planted 2 plants, and let's see how these both come. Don't water it so much in the starting, but after it little grows, you can start watering it little every day. So since I have planted 2 plants already for the almost like a week before, in this I got the plants like this, and let's see how this grows. And we will also show you how this plant grows when after starting to germinate. So we are going to observe all these 4 plants one by one, and let us see how these plants will look when they fully grown up. Now almost it's 2 weeks and the plant have grown this much big. So both of them are in the same height, and it's giving some lines, thread like structure in which the leaves are coming. So over here, if there are 3 lines like this, then there will be like 3 leaves after coming after this. And let's look at the big plants. In both of them there are flowers. So here there are 2 flowers, and in this there is 1 flower. So in both of these we are going to get fruits soon. So the flowers have already started coming. And here if you look, I have said right. So in this, if we get that lines, in that there are small leaves. Here they have already grown up so much. And in the end, if you see, the leaves are getting white color, and they are just like going dried like this. So this is how this plant is growing. Let's see how the fruits are coming. You should the main important point is that you should give them good sunlight, and you should water them regularly, otherwise the plants will get so dried. And even if one day you don't water it, then it will become so dried. So you should water it regularly. Now we have got 2 fruits in the big plant. It almost took 1.5 or 2 months for this. Still there is not any fruit inside this, but it will come, and there are so many flowers over here. And this plant is started growing much bigger. If you add more manure to this, then it will grow more healthy, and we should always water it. We will meet you in another interesting and helpful video. Until then, bye bye from Kutties Chutties.